30 seconds.
Don't think they quite worked it out. Wind's gone right. Wind's gone right. Yeah, a bit.
15.
Okay, it's going to be an individual. Going to be an individual recall. Be 515 and 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. 1.
3, 2, 1.
B4, 515.
Sorry.
Was that, what did you do? 2 or 1?
1.
Yep. 5151, 120, 4 and
4.
who's the one right down the bottom of the line?
That one there?
No, it's one right down the bottom.
Behind it.
Behind 515.
It's 818.
No, it wasn't 818. It was
5, 6.
no. There's another one down below. There's another one behind 818. Who's that behind 818? 455. 556. Have you got it written down? So 4556. 5, 6. Yeah.